legit, yo, hey, like legit, hey, no, not the same way.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's exciting because today is the day that I move into my apartment. I was gonna say first apartment, but I already live in a current apartment, which was my first apartment. I have that apartment with roommates, and so this is my first apartment by myself ever, and I'm so excited to have my own space, and the fact that I'm obsessed with it makes it 100 times better. And I don't know, I'm just super excited. I don't really know what to say. I'm actually standing inside of my apartment right now. That's why it sounds so echoey, because there's no furniture in here yet. I literally just got the keys maybe about an hour and a half ago. I am going to take you guys out into, like, I don't know what you want to call it, like the walkway, like on my floor, because out there it's like super cute and I just feel like you guys should really see it. Just really want to share that with you guys. I don't really know what I'm saying. I hate using tripods because my arm absolutely hurts right now. Like looking at me like that. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking and we can just get right into it. Ready to come in my crib. Ta-da! Come on. So when you first come in, here's the door. Anyways, so you know, like if you need to let somebody in downstairs, how they normally like call up to your apartment, there's normally like a thing or something like that. Well, cool thing here. So they have this little thing down at the bottom where the door is, and it'll say like you buzz whatever the room number is, and it says like Anna Prashana's apartment, which is just so cool to me. And it just calls me right on my phone. I can let them in through my phone. How cool. So anyways, on to the refrigerator, all stainless steel appliances. You know, it's definitely spacious for me, feel me? A lot of different compartments. Ooh, like juices, and that could be a little compartment for something. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be cute. And one thing I love about this place is there's cabinet space literally everywhere. A lot of cabinet space. There's drawers all along here, up there. Like, why is this cabinet that big? What am I gonna put in there? Like, I might as well start putting clothes in the freaking kitchen or something, because there's gonna be so many empty cabinets. And I mean, obviously microwave too. You know, I just love that all this is new and no one else has used it yet. It's like it's made for me. And, you know, cute little stove, filming. And then even on the island, I feel like most people when they have islands, like there's never any like cabinet space on the island, but there's still all of this cabinet space on the island, which is like so crazy to me. When these drawers do open, it's not just for look. And then of course we have a dishwasher, which will come in handy because your girl does get pretty lazy. And then over here we have the sink, which I'm actually super excited about because it's so deep. I love how deep the sink is, because say if I don't catch up on my dishes for a little bit, you feel me? You're not gonna be able to see it because the sink is so deep. And then also, you know, it's got the little changer. Wait, it comes off. I think there's something in there that doesn't sound good. Anyways, and then yeah, so that is it for the kitchen. And then over here, there's like, you know, little thing to put your legs in underneath. Obviously this is where I'm going to have some bar stools at, because there's not enough room to fit a kitchen table in here. And then over here, we have double doors that are like the furnace and all of that. And then my brand new washer and dryer that has never been used before. So I'm gonna be the first one to use it. I have to wash all of my sheets, so I think I'm gonna bring them here and wash them all here. And then, so kind of a vision of what I'm doing for my living room, so you guys kind of have an idea. I'm going to put a couch right here, maybe just like a couch big enough for like 3 people. So I'm gonna put a couch right there, and then right here, I'm probably gonna have like a little side table. If I can fit 2, then I'll do 2. But for right now, I'm probably thinking just 1. And then I'm gonna put like a big enough rug for this area, and then have a coffee table. And then over there, I am going to have the TV stand along with my TV that I'm going to hang up on the wall. And ooh, I forgot about this. But the lighting fixtures in here are just so cute. You gotta appreciate little things like that. And even like the spotlights on the ceiling are all super cute too. I love that it's super bright in here. That's gonna be really great for filming videos. And like I'll definitely put some wall art up in here. I'll probably put something right there. Maybe I'll something on one of those walls. Not both though, because that would be kind of weird doing too much. And then have my balcony that I'm actually super excited about. Like I said, I don't even have living room furniture yet, so this will probably wait on until the summer when it gets warm out. But I love that the apartment came with these, so you know, if I want my own privacy, I can just shut these. So that's one less thing I had to go out and buy, with not having to buy curtains or anything like that, because these are the only windows that are in the apartment. This apartment's considered a studio. However, there is a bedroom in here, but it's considered a studio because there's no window in the bedroom. But some videos out here, you know, when I'm outside again. A cute little thermostat, is that what it's called? Yeah, cute little thermostat. And then right here, moving on to my bedroom. What I really like about the bedroom is that a difference from like the kitchen and living room, the bedroom is 10 feet, the ceilings are 10 feet. So good transition from the hardwood floor to the more cozy carpet floor. You can come into my cave. And then look how big the door is. So cute. You guys can obviously kind of get an idea of what my bedroom is gonna look like from my bedroom tour that I just did at my last apartment. I'm gonna tweak some things, and I have gotten a little bit of different things, and I don't really like how I had it in that video. Like I said in the video, I knew I would end up changing my bedroom, so the fact that I'm moving makes it all that great. But in my bedroom over here, I'm gonna put my bed right here, and then over there, I hope my dresser fits right there. It should. So yeah, I'm gonna put my dresser right there, and then with my TV and everything, yeah. So my bed's gonna go here, and then along this wall over here, I still have my vanity and my big tall like body mirror. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do yet. I think I'm going to put the vanity right here along this wall if it fits. If not, it'll go along that one, and then maybe put my body. I don't know, you guys will see when I do that part. I'm sure I'll record it. And then moving along to over here, I definitely feel like this little walkway makes the room look a lot bigger than it is. But moving on to the closet is actually really big, which I really like because I need as much space as I can possibly get, because right now I literally have no space. My suitcase is sitting in the trunk of my car. So I'm happy at the fact that I can finally put my suitcase in my closet. So here's inside the closet. Even when I shut the door, you can tell that it's still, you know, pretty big, and I love that there's like really good shelf space, you know. And there's a plug up here. I was really wondering, what the hell am I gonna plug in that's going to go up there? Maybe like if I had a light or something, I don't know. And then moving on to one of my favorite parts is the bathroom. So first thing I observed in the bathroom is I love that it automatically came with a little hook right here. So here is like the little hook, and I was looking at my door today actually, when I was in my apartment when I woke up, and I was like, I really don't want to put a hook on my door, like a plastic hook, and like put my bags in. That just looks weird. So the fact that this is already here and it's like to the bathroom, not to my bedroom, I really like that. So moving on to the actual bathroom, we'll go over here. So obviously, you know, toilet is very essential with anywhere that you live. And I love that they have on here, like instead of the handle, it's just like the push of these two. And then obviously, you know, put the towels or some decorations or something right there. Obviously, you know, your toilet paper. The thing I'm most excited about is my shower. Like, you should see the shower in my old apartment. I can barely stand in there. Like, now, I can come in here, shut it, you know, scrub it up, and I still got all this room. I can even sit a little bit, you feel me? Oh, you know what I do when I'm in the shower? Sometimes when I'm sad in the shower, I like to sit and just let the water hit me. Now I got all the space I need to do that. So yeah, anyways, the shower's great, and the water pressure on it is super good, and I love that it has like black detailing and everything. I obviously love that the doors are glass and the tile behind it. Yeah, it's just, whoever put this place together definitely thought about detail, which I like. So, thing I'm confused about though is, I don't know what I'm gonna put here. There's like this space here. At first I was thinking I was going to put my vanity there.
Then you couldn't get in the
I know, that's what, obviously. So at first I was thinking about putting my vanity there, but obviously like the door would open like this much if I did that, so that's obviously not smart. But maybe Demi said like I should put like a table and like maybe like a basket or something of that sort. So, and another thing too I'm really excited about is, I'm just excited about everything in here. I haven't had my own place like just to me, so the fact that I have that is everything I'm excited about. But I do share a bathroom at my other apartment, and I'm just so OCD and like so weird, and I don't like people touching my things. Not that people will, but that's just how I think. And like I don't leave anything that I use in my bathroom, so like I was keeping all of my bathroom stuff like in my room, And that was just really annoying having to go from like my bathroom to the room. But anyways, now I can like put everything all in my own bathroom and nobody can tell me anything, and I can put all my stuff down here and just have my own space, you know? Didn't really have my own space in my last apartment. I am really sad to be leaving Madison because she's my best friend. But anyways, so yeah, and then that's the bathroom. I did notice though that this light is out up here, so that's a little weird. But anyway, so that is just about it for the apartment. But what's really cool is obviously, you know, this connects to my bedroom. But when I have guests over and if I don't want anybody to go in my room, I can lock this door so no one can go in there. And then this door just leads right back out to the living room and the kitchen, which you guys have already seen. But I'm gonna take you guys back out. So one thing that I thought was super cute was they left me a little gift. And I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to wait till I was filming my video. So let's see what they left me. Cleaning supplies. Miss Meyer's Clean Day. That's actually super nice because, you know, it's thoughtful. They left something cute. Hand soap. And dish soap. Ooh. I've never used this brand before, but definitely gonna try it because, hey, that's a free product. But that is all for my apartment tour. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Definitely stay tuned for a furnished apartment tour. And I think I'm gonna take you guys along with me when I do shopping. So definitely stay tuned for that as well. I have a lot of different video ideas I have planned. I know I always say that, but I swear, I even have like a little notebook that I have all my videos that I plan to do written down. And then also I have a what's on my iPhone video that I have filmed, but I just haven't edited. Why can't I say that? That I just haven't edited. That I just haven't edited yet. So I have my what's on my iPhone video coming. And honestly, this video will probably be up first just because it'll be so much easier to edit and get up on my channel. Yeah, I'm super excited about my apartment and I can't wait to express myself in here and decorate it how I want. I feel like the past years, like I've only been able to express myself in my bedroom because obviously like I lived with my parents and then I went to a dorm and then I was in my apartment with my other people, and then we didn't really end up even getting a chance to decorate. So the fact that I'm here now and I can have my own space and decorate makes me super excited. And I'm also really excited too because this is definitely gonna motivate me to get back on top of my YouTube game and have a lot of different videos coming for you guys. And I talk a lot and I just talked this whole video. So I'm gonna shut up. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next one.
Hey, like, no, not the same way.